Alright, so now we're going to talk about curves, which, to be completely honest, this is what I consider to be the hardest shape in the world, and I had a lot of trouble with this freshman year. In fact, set number 42, which was a lot of curves, I referred to as the stupid set for the entire season. I could never seem to set it, but I think I try to understand it a little bit more. Because although there's a different slope, the intervals are key. So, well, you might, for all the other ones, if you don't see the person in front of you, two people in front of you, you know you're doing it right. It's not quite like that with curves, because it changes. The slope is different, but the change in the slope is the same. This is easier to do if you pay really close attention to how the intervals work, which means the space from you to the person in front of you, and that person, and that person. So if you figure that out, and you keep the change in the slope, notice how it's 1 to 1, then it's 2 to 2, and then it's 3 to 3. And if you keep that consistent, it's a lot easier to set. And also notice how this shape, represented by y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, that it has an axis of symmetry, which symmetry, meaning that when you draw this line down, that all these points are the same distance on either side. So if you see the person on the other side, you have to match up with them with a line. So you see your line here, and with those intervals, you can make your curve.